If you just got a BMW and you've seen ConnectedDrive in the menus, here's what it actually does, and how to get the most out of it in 2 minutes. Think of ConnectedDrive as the car's digital brain. It's an always online platform with an embedded SIM plus the My BMW app on your phone. Together they handle safety, navigation, entertainment conveniences. Safety first. SOS button for emergencies, breakdown assistance, tire pressure alerts, damage alerts, parking assist that parks for you, fewer surprises, less stress, navigation, real-time traffic, 3D buildings, smarter rerouting, send trips from your phone. I plan in the app, the car picks it up, and I'm rolling. Entertainment, Spotify, Audible, video streaming while parked, in-car games, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Apple Watch support, personalization, learns routines, seat heat, climate sweet spot, welcome animations, concierge handles calendar, messages, reservations, app lets me precondition the cabin, lock or unlock, and check vehicle status from anywhere, digital key, unlock, lock, start, no bulky key, no problem, updates, over the air, flexible subscriptions, monthly, yearly, pay for what you use. New BMWs include about 4 years of ConnectedDrive, upgrade to digital premium, EV owners, battery status, range, estimates, live charging, station info, daily commuters, better traffic and parking help, busy schedules, concierge plus calendar sync saves minutes every day. Pro tips, set up My BMW day 1, enable digital key, preload favorite apps, build a home screen with your top 3 tiles, then let the AI do the rest. That's BMW ConnectedDrive. Personalized, safer, and way more convenient. If you found this useful, tap like and I'll dig into hidden settings next.